Exercise 13.1 fifth question. Rahim removes all the hearts. Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. What is the probability of? First one, getting an ace from remaining pack. Second, getting a diamond. Third, getting a card that is not a heart. Getting a card that is not a heart. Fourth, getting the ace of hearts. Okay, so these are the questions. So first, Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. Actually, total cards 52. 4 sets in the hearts, diamonds, clubs, spade. So in this, we are removing all the hearts. Rahim removes all the hearts. After removing hearts, so the experiment had been done. So first solution, after removing hearts, total cards equal to 52 minus hearts 13 equal to 39. These are the total choices. So first one, if we are doing first one, getting an ace from the remaining pair. So yes, I am taking A. Ace cards we are taking A. So remaining Ace. Actually, how many Ace? In club, spade, diamond, and heart, all containing one Ace. We are not containing hearts. These cards doesn't containing hearts. How many Ace? Only 3 Ace. So n of A equal to 3. N of S equal to 39. Probability of A equal to n of A by n of S equal to 3 by 39 equal to 1 by 13. Remaining probability 1 by 13. Next, second, getting a card that is not a heart. So not a heart, I am taking B. Okay, so n of B. Actually, how many cards after removing hearts? 39. Whether these 39 cards containing any heart? No, there won't be any card containing heart. So the other than hearts are 39. In those 39 cards, there is no heart. So not a heart. The number of cards which are not hearts is 39. So total cards here also 39. So definitely after removing hearts, none of the card is heart. So this is certain event. So P of B equal to n of B by n of S equal to 39 by 39, which is equal to 1. Next, third one. So coming to third one, getting a card that is not a heart. Actually, third one we done. Second, getting a diamond. So diamond, I am taking diamond. How many diamonds? So all sets containing 13 cards. So diamond 13, clubs 13, hearts 13, spades 13. So hearts are removed. So diamond cards are 13. So I am taking diamonds equal to diamonds C, n of C. Diamonds cards 13, total cards 39 after removing hearts. So P of C equal to n of C by n of S equal to 13 by 39. Cancel with 13, 1 by 3. Next, fourth. If you are doing fourth one, getting a ace of hearts. Getting ace of hearts. Actually, there is no heart. How do we get ace of hearts? So, ace of hearts. I am taking D. So, N of D. There is no card which is ace of heart. So, this is equal to 0. N of S equal to 39. P of D equal to N of D by N of S. So that is equal to 0 by 39 equal to sixth question. It is given that in a group of three students, the probability of two students, the probability of two students not having the same birthday is 0.992. Not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the two students have the same birthday? Okay, it is given that in a group of three students. So, three students together, consider a group. Any three students, if we are taking a group, among these three students, any two students not having same birthday is equal to 0.992. So, what is the probability that two students having the same birthday? It is complementary to this one. Okay, solution. Let us consider the given probability is equal to 0.992, which means out of the students, if you consider any three students have not having the same birthday, then the probability is equal to 0.992. Its complementary is containing having same birthday. So P of A complement equal to 1 minus P of A, 1 minus 0.992 equal to 0.008. So this is the probability of two students having, any three students considering among those three students, two students having same birthday is equal to 0.008. Next, seventh question. If we are taking seventh question, a die is rolled once. Find the probability of getting first one, a prime number. Second, a number lying between 2 and 6. A number lying between 2 and 6. C. An odd number. Okay, now I want to take the solution. A die is rolled once. How many times rolled? One time. If we roll one time, the possibilities, choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total choices N of S equal to 6. So a die is rolled, then total choices equal to 6. First one, a prime number. So I am taking event A equal to, what are the choices of prime number? So prime number choices are 2, 3, 5. How many choices? N of A equal to choices 3. P of A equal to N of A by N of S equal to N of A by N of S equal to 3 by total choices 6 equal to 1 by 2. Second, so a number lie between 2 and 6. So I am taking it is B. So the numbers between 2 and 6. What are the choices? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. How many choices? 3. So probability P of B equal to N of B by N of S equal to number of B equal to 3 out of 6. So cancel, we will get 1 by 2. Next, third, an odd number. So I am taking it is C. So what are the odd numbers in this? C equal to 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. How many choices for odd numbers? 3. So N of C equal to 3. So probability of C equal to N of C by N of S, 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. So these are the probabilities. Okay. Now, 8th question. What is the probability of selecting a red king? What is the probability of selecting a red king from a deck of cards? So among cards we need to select one card, it should be red king. We need to find out the probability of red king. So if we are taking cards, total cards are 52. So total cards 52. Total cards 52. In the total cards, picture cards are 12, black and red together. So kings are 4. Kings 4, queens 4, jacks 4. So kings are 4. Out of kings, half of red kings, half of black kings. Red kings equal to 2. So red kings, red color sets are diamonds and hearts. In diamond 1 king, heart 1 king. Total 2 kings. Probability of red king equal to probability of total red kings by total cards. 2 by 52 equal to 1 by 26. So this is the answer. Next, 9th one. Make 5 more problems. Make 5 more problems of this kind. Using dice cards, using dice cards or birthdays, and discuss with your friends and teacher about their solution, about solutions. Okay, so all we discussed so many problems up to now. So many cards. You need to create 5 more problems on birthdays or dice or what cards. So many problems we discussed. These are the 4 problems on cards. So this is one of the problem. So this is the problem on the birthday. This is the problem on dice. Like this, you create 5 problems yourself and try to find out the solution. Okay. So or else if you write the questions, previous questions also, it will be the required solution. Okay. Next exercise 13.2. First question. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. 5 black balls. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is selected at random. A ball is selected at random. A ball is selected at random from the bag. From the bag. A ball is selected at random from the bag. What is the probability that? What is the probability that the ball selected is first one red, second not red. Okay, if we observe the question, a bag contains red balls and black balls, only two colors, 3 red balls and 5 black balls. Total how many balls? 8 balls. In these 8 balls, 1 ball is selected. So the probability of red is the number of red balls by number of total balls. Number of red balls is equal to 3, total balls equal to 8. Other than red, how many other than red? 5 out of 8. Probability 5 by 8. Solution. So red balls equal to 3. Next black balls equal to 5. Total balls equal to 8. So total balls equal to 8. P of red, probability of red equal to number of red balls by total balls. Total balls. Red balls equal to 3. Total balls 8. Probability of red 3 by 8. Probability of not red, which means P of 1 minus probability of red. So it is complementary even to the red. So of course it is green, but it is complementary to the red. 1 minus 3 by 8. So 8 into 1, 8 minus 3, 5 by 8. So this is the probability of red and probability of not red. Next, second question. So a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles, One marble is taken out of box at random. What is the probability that taken out will be first red, second white, third not green. Okay, so 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles, all together is in one box. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out at random. First, how many marbles I want to take? Solution. So red, how many? 5. White equal to 8. Green equal to 4. Total, how many marbles? 5 plus 8 plus 4. 5 plus 8, 13 plus 4, 17. So these 17 marbles, we need to pick one marble. So probability of red marbles by total. How many red marbles? Red marbles 5 out of remaining 17. Probability 5 by 17. Second, P of white marbles by total marbles. How many white marbles? White marbles equal to 8 out of 17. Third, P of not green. So other than green marbles by total marbles. So how many green marbles? 4. Other than 4, 5 plus 8 by 17. 5 plus 8 equal to 13 by 17. So this is the solution. So probability of red 5 by 17, probability of white 8 by 17, probability of not green equal to 13 by 17. Okay, next. Third question. A kiddie bank contains 150 pice coins. A kiddie bank contains 150 pice coins. 150 pice coins. 50 1 rupee coins. 50 1 rupee coins. 50 1 rupee coins. 20 2 rupee coins. 20 2 rupee coins. Rupees 2 coins. And 10 5 rupee coins. And 10 5 rupee coins. If it is equally likely, that one of the coins fall out when the bank is turned upside down. What is the probability that the coin will be a 50 pice coin. Second, will not be a 5 rupee coin. Okay, will not be a rupees 5 coin. Okay, so first, how many coins we need to see first. Solution. What are the coins? 50 pice coins equal to how many? 100. Rupees 1 coins, how many? 1 rupee coins is 50. Rupees 2 coins equal to how many? 2 rupee coins is 20. Rupees 5 coins, 5 rupee coins equal to how much? 10. Total coins equal to 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 10, 180. These are 180 coins. Out of these 180 coins, so the kiddie bank is upside down, which means one coin fall out. So the fallout coin is, so total choices, total coins are 180. Among 180 coins, whatever the coin may fall down. Okay, so that coin is first 50 pice coin. So first one, 50 pice coin I am taking, event A. So how many N of A equal to how much? 100 coins of 50 pice. P of N of S equal to 180. P of A equal to N of A by N of S. 50 pice coins by total coins. N of S. N of A 100 by 180. 0 0 cancel. 2 into 5, 2 into 9. Next, second, will not be rupees 5 coin. So other than 5 rupee coins, I want to count 100 plus 50 plus 20. So equal to 170. N of, I am taking this event B. N of B equal to 170. N of S equal to 180. Total coins 180. Out of 180, 10 coins are 5 rupee coins. Remaining are 170 coins are not 5 rupee coins. So N of P of B equal to N of B by N of S equal to 170 by 180. 0 0 cancel. 17 by 18 is the probability of the coin is not a 5 rupee coin. So this is the required solution.